we had a fruitful meeting with the governor of Meghalaya. Uh, there are 3 points that we have discussed with the governor today. The first point is regarding the demand for making Jowai as a summer capital. Uh, on that note, we met with the governor. We had a fruitful talk with him. We explained to him about the benefits of Jowai being the summer capital. As you know, there are an ongoing demand that Tura should be a winter capital, and there is a all cabinet, uh, all minister cabinet committee that is formed in this year to have Tura as the winter capital. So, us from the union side, Giant Student Union, we urge the government through the governor that he also consider to make Jowai as a summer capital. And the second point today, we had a talk with the governor regarding the ILP. As you have seen in the recent news, there are many social outbursts, ongoing demonstrations regarding ILP. As you know, since 2019, the resolution was passed by the state assembly, and now it's been tabled in the central government. And as to say, it's been 5 to 6 years pending for central approval. So today we've urged the governor to take the matters to the Home Ministry and to the central government to implement ILP for the betterment of our state. And on the third note, we had a talk with the governor regarding the IOA, Instrument of Accession. Uh, we explained to the governor that the revisit of IOA is needed because, as you see, we as a tribal community, we need the tribal autonomy to strengthen our sixth schedule. Because as you see, as Nagaland has already revisited the IOA and they have been uh, they have been they have been they have been given 371 Article 371A, and and it strengthens their provisions regarding land reforms, the governance, and all. So at the same time, we have requested the governor, and he has ensured us that he'll take the matter. See, Jowai being the summer capital, we have the same benefits or the same demands that uh, Astura has been put for a winter capital. Actually, as you can see, Jowai being the first district since the separation from Assam, Meghalaya separated from Assam, being the first district headquarter, it deserves to be uh, the summer capital. And after that, also, as you know, the revenue, Jante Hills has contributed up to 70% to the minerals, and also to the state revenue. It is the highest contributor, up to 30% of the state's revenue. So that is one particular subject regarding others. Yes, yes. We plan to hold public meetings right after today's meet. We will have we'll hold public meetings all around Jainti Hills to educate people and let them know about the benefits of having Jowai as a summer capital. Yes, through this platform, I'm appealing all our local MLAs and ministers to take up this matter. Bocherumi Posnam, Education Secretary ng Jainti Students Union Central Body.